What's up guys, Vivo S1 Pro showed up on the database of China's Tenna agency earlier this month. The smartphone is yet to go official in China, and the same phone is reportedly coming to India and Russian market as Vivo V17. Vivo is also planning to bring the same device to multiple markets like Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines and Malaysia. Vivo Indonesia has revealed plenty of key details on the Vivo S1 Pro smartphone. It has revealed that the upcoming S-series phone will be equipped with a 6.38-inch Super AMOLED display that will offer Full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone promises a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. The display of the phone is embedded with a Screen Touch ID in-display fingerprint reader. The Vivo S1 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 665 chipset and 8GB of RAM. The internal storage of the device is 128GB and it comes with an external storage slot that supports up to 256GB of microSD card. The device comes with a massive 4500 mAh of battery that supports 18W dual engine fast charging through USB Type-C port. For shooting selfies, Vivo S1 Pro features a 32MP front-facing camera. The backside of the phone has a diamond-shaped camera system that includes a 48MP Samsung G1M primary lens and a 120° 8MP super wide lens. The launch date of the Vivo S1 Pro for Indonesia is currently under the wraps. Glowing black and crystal blue are the two color editions of the smartphone. It appears that the Indonesia and other markets in Asia will be soon receiving the Vivo S1 Pro phone. In Russia and India, it is likely to debut as Vivo V17 before the end of November, and its sales may begin in India by the first week of December. So these are all the details of the upcoming Vivo V17 aka Vivo S1 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.